Today, August 6th, Wednesday. I'm here at the Long Beach property. I have a rig replacing some of the drainage, and also I have a nick to replace rotted wood. So, he's working on it. Okay, so he is doing a painting over. Nick, be careful. Okay. All right. Okay, so we fixed that part. Okay, and okay. We put some primers on the siding. Okay. We put the tree up there. And yeah. So that side, yeah, we gotta do something because, right behind the trim pieces, we'll see, I'm gonna go see Rick. Hi, how are you? Good. Hi, Liz. Hi. Everything's good? Okay, good. Okay, AC working good? I'm recording outside. Yeah, because we're doing some repairs on the drainage on the roof. Which way? This is the blind spot. I don't have any eyes on this spot. He knows, so he's kind of sneaking into this area. No, it's a guy, same guy, old guy. So he leaves a lot of stuff. Right here.
Yeah, well, sometimes there's junk here, and then he leaves trash over. There's none here.
No, that's the only one I have right
there.
I
see.
So he usually stays right here,
right.
But nowadays he moved to there. He knows I'm watching through that camera, because every time he comes here, I got a notification from my phone.
That there's movement.
So like every morning, like 2 or 3 a.m., I woke up and talk to the guy through that camera. But now he knows, and so he moved to that area.
One time there was this big cushion.
Yeah.
I don't know if he laid
So,
down there the cushion.
I mean, so I'm thinking I'm putting some cameras somewhere around here.
Right.
Or there. That one, no, that one is not showing this area.
I see.
So this is the blind spot.
I see.
So I don't
see,
know.
Yesterday
I know.
it was more dirt here. And the thing is, our patients wait here outside.
Probably put some camera right here or there. I mean, can you share? Okay, Alice. I'll keep in touch. Thank you. Hello, how are you, sir?
All right.
Good,
Hey,
good. Yes.
Hey, I had a green little broom that I sweep the parking lot with.
Okay, I guess Rick is working in this unit. Oops. Ay, ay, ay. They're on the roof. Hi, Mr. Parlato. Hi, how are you? I'm here. Sorry, keep bothering you. Yeah, hopefully they're gonna fix it this time. Yeah. Okay. All right, let me go up and find that out if they took your broom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. How's everything? Everything's good?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Rick! Ah! Hey, Rick! Hey, how are you? Hi.
Good. Got
Ah.
my knife, trying to kill birds. Little motherfuckers, peck holes everywhere.
Angry birds.
Yeah.
Angry birds.
Hey, how do you like those coal hunts?
Huh?
These shoes, you like them?
It's not. Is it Kohan? How do you know? No, it's
Oh,
a
they're
Tommy.
Tommy, but coal hunt with the dress shoes with the soft sole. Everybody wears them. I want one.
Yeah. Okay.
Those look nice.
I
Okay.
just sat in fucking white.
Yeah.
Now my ass is off. Oh, we got it to leak stop.
So that's the area you're talking about, clogged?
Well, yeah. No, we got right here. This is a different coating. It hardens.
So inside
Right.
is clogged?
Yes, all of them.
All of them?
Not
two
just
of them?
this one.
Shit.
All these fucking drains
Why?
are clogged. I don't know.
When you come here, was it like full of leaves or?
No, it looks like, I mean, we didn't sweep off the roof and stuff, but had a bunch of shit. But
Well, why?
this drain here, you can feel it. We filled the roof up all the way back to here, right? And it took 2 hours for it to, it was only dripping out of down here. I got the overflow unclogged, and it went all over the car. But if you look on that car down there, it's a whole bunch of
So
trees.
this is overflow.
Yep.
Okay. So both of them clogged.
and,
And you say all of them clogged?
yeah,
Really?
over there is clogged up. That one back. Go look at that one over there.
Sure. I don't see any. I don't see a lot of leaves or branches, whatever.
Well, here's
Pretty clean here.
Look right here.
Oh.
Yeah, we walked, tried to get all the bird holes, try to get everything.
Bird holes?
Bird holes, they start picking,
Oh.
right? They get in a little bottle of water and they pick,
Sure.
and they make a little hole.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what that's what it's all full of. Look at that shit.
Huh. What is this? Just. Huh. Okay.
Same thing on them other two.
So it's. Did you put snake in there and
Yeah,
didn't
we
work?
only could get down so far.
I see. I see. We gotta push further, huh?
Yep. He needs a heavy, hard snake. Homer has them heavy duty
Okay.
ones.
Like long,
he-
long one, huh?
Yeah, all he had was a small one.
I see. Okay.
So yeah, we found where
Mm,
the water was getting down to the drain coming out the side, so we got that part.
got it.
But see, you have to understand here, if these drains clog up and that water gets this high, it goes down these vents.
Ah,
You know what I mean?
yeah. If the water gets that high, you know, this roof is gonna be collapsed.
The amount, I wouldn't doubt it, but the amount of termites and stuff you got.
Yeah.
See all the dirt? I mean, that's what we're down to.
Okay, even we
And these drain all the way out here to the street, right by his truck.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's trickling down, but it's not, when you flood it, it's not flooding down.
Got it.
So it looks like it's all these berries,
Yeah.
and dirt, and the palm leaves, and it's this tree, right? You talked to Nick?
Which one? That one?
No, that one right there.
This one?
Yep.
You said that's
Termites.
termite?
Yeah. Go look what they did to the fucking bottom of the stairs.
It's not the tree.
Oh yeah. Come on.
Yeah.
Got a lot of termites.
Yeah.
So there's 2 layers of foam, right?
Uh-huh.
This one was getting down underneath the first layer. So we got it sealed, got it flooded, it drains now, and then now we're going back and fix all the spots. Now we're going to coat this area again. And we should be good.
So we just put additional coating on the top, or?
Yeah, no, well, we went down, worked on the inside. I got to go get the tray fans out there, right? And the water's getting down. We got another crack over here. Let's see. But the water was getting under the first level, getting down and going down the side of the drain. But this ain't like that little light coat. This is basically meant for this.
It's like
So
5x.
5 times thicker. Same elastomeric, it's just super thick. But now everything flows through the drain. Now we want to reseal all this. We picked up everything. And then I think I'll be back next Saturday. I called the plumber and stuff about doing the other one over there.
All right.
Yeah, tearing out that front drain and stuff. So he thinks he can do Saturday.
What if we just put a very strong pressure washer and shoot it off?
That's what I've been saying is.
And we try. I got the hose down there about this far, right? It could go any farther. We flash it and just water just kept piling back up.
Really?
Yeah.
But
Didn't work?
we don't have super high pressure, so you could try to shoot the shit out of it, but we didn't have any luck.
You mean?
You know, there's something like a bladder. With a bladder, you can just keep watering, and then the bladder blocks the whole pipe. So the only way the water goes out in the bottom. So probably that's something I can try that out. Yeah.
Well, before you do that, let's go down. I'll show you what.
Sure.
I'm gonna broom it one more time.
Yeah.
It looks pretty close.
Sweep it off and everything else.
Yeah, I'm not gonna wet it anymore.
Are you gonna use that broom? The green?
Yeah, I need that.
We're
You
using
need
just
that?
a sweep.
Yeah, the guy I was asking is missing.
We got it from Nick. Huh?
No. Yeah, okay.
That's what he said. Well, we asked him about it. He said, yeah, we can